Hello everyone. Today, we are performing a manual assembly of Zeiss Progressive Lenses on an acetate frame. This is a high-precision task. Stay tuned until the end of the video, because I will reveal essential secrets for a professional assembly and how to avoid frame breakage. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe. Let's get to work. First step, checking the lens. Use the lens meter to mark the optical center and the axis. Next, trace the frame template. This is the most important step. You must place the fitting cross of the Zeiss Progressive lens exactly on the wearer's pupil point. If the centering is off by even 1 millimeter, the vision will be blurry. Double-check the horizontal alignment before tracing the shape onto the lens. Now trace the final shape with a fine marker. We move to chipping with the pliers. Important advice: keep your hands flexible to avoid breaking the lens. If you grip too hard, the lens will snap in half. Start at the edges and move toward the tracing. Always leave a 1 millimeter safety margin. We will finish the precise sizing later on the grinding wheel. Use the hand edger to reach the final shape. Pay close attention to the position of the optical center. If you grind too much on the temporal side, the center will shift toward the temple. If you grind too much on the nasal side, the center will shift toward the nose. For a progressive lens, this is a serious error. You must grind symmetrically to keep the center in the correct position. The bevel is the V shape on the edge of the lens. A front side bevel keeps the lens thickness behind the frame. A backside bevel puts the thickness in front. After beveling, you must create a safety bevel to smooth the sharp edge. This removes small chips. If the edge remains sharp, the lens will flake or chip when you insert it into the frame. For acetate frames, use the frame warmer. Heat the frame evenly. Here is a crucial secret. You must always wipe the inside of the frame groove perfectly dry before assembly. If water remains inside, the heat turns that water into gas. After the lens is inserted, the gas pressure combined with the tension will cause the frame to break shortly. After the assembly, proper drying prevents this breakage. The assembly is complete. The centering is perfect and the frame is safe because it was dried correctly. This is the professional method for a durable result. Thank you for watching until the end. Leave your questions in the comments and see you soon for the next video.